Last year, our longevity formula had 10 science-backed ingredients, and it benefited a lot of people with autoimmune diseases and long-standing chronic diseases. And since it changed so many lives, we are back with new and improved longevity formula, which target all the longevity pathways in your body, from activating sirtuins to boosting NAD, from enhancing autophagy to cellular detox. This version is all about living longer and healthier, and staying younger, sharper, and stronger. So if you want to view our video from the last year, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you can get notified immediately whenever we upload such wonderful videos. And if you have already seen that video, let me know in the comment section below which is the one new ingredient in this formula. So stay with me till the end.
Aging is not just about wrinkles or grey hairs, it's about how your cells age. What if I told you that with the right nutrients you can actually slow down your cellular aging, protect your mitochondria and even reverse signs of decline from within? In today's video I am breaking down my longevity formula, a carefully designed blend of 12 scientifically studied ingredients that work in synergy to help your body feel younger, stronger and more energetic. So if you're suffering from a long-standing disease like autoimmune disease or a chronic condition, this video is for you, because in this video, I'll tell you how each of these ingredients work and how they're helpful for you, how to take them, when to take them, and who will actually benefit from this profound formula. So watch the video till the end. So our first ingredient is vitamin C in the form of ascorbic acid. And I know many people will say ascorbic acid is not real vitamin C, and that's true to some extent. Whole food vitamin C includes cofactors like rutin and bioflavonoids. But here's the thing, ascorbic acid is the active antioxidant part, and studies show it still helps to regenerate other antioxidants like vitamin E and glutathione, while also protecting collagen and boosting your immune system. So whether you prefer natural or synthetic, it still protects your cells from age-related oxidative damage and gives you that youthful glow. And I am sure you will agree that the real backbone of the longevity formula lies in restoring your mitochondrial power, your cellular batteries. For this we have added magnesium malate. It fuels the ATP production, and malate drives the Krebs cycle, your body's energy loop. It acts like a spark for energy metabolism, reducing fatigue. So together these are our second and third ingredients. For the fourth ingredient we have added calcium alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate is a powerful longevity molecule that has extended lifespan in animal studies by rejuvenating mitochondria and reducing inflammation. So together they keep your cells youthful and your energy steady. So if you have been labeled with diagnoses like chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia, try our longevity supplements to get these ingredients and you will notice an instant boost in your energy. And I am sure you will agree, what's longevity good for without clarity of mind? So we have added L-theanine. It is the same compound in the green tea that creates calm and alertness. Also it has rhodiola, which is a famous adaptogen that helps your body to adapt to stress, and it is shown to improve fatigue, focus and dopamine balance. And we have also added rhodiola to our adaptogen blend, which in my practice is the best natural solution for patients with depression. Next we have glycine, a simple amino acid that supports sleep, collagen and detox through glutathione production. These three ingredients together help create mental sharpness and deep relaxation, the perfect balance for graceful aging. And you must have noticed that with advancing age, people lose their sleep and become depressed. So if you too are suffering from these symptoms, take our longevity formula. And aging gracefully isn't just about how you feel, it's how your body holds together. That's why we added therapeutic grade hyaluronic acid, which is your body's natural moisture magnet, plumping the skin and lubricating the joints. And I can say with 100% confidence that you must have seen a commercial ad about hyaluronic acid serum, or you might be even using it right now. So let me know in the comment section below, are you using hyaluronic acid for cosmetic purposes? Keep in mind that you cannot eat the cosmetic grade hyaluronic acid because it has a higher level of heavy metal toxicity. For eating, you have to have therapeutic grade hyaluronic acid. Along with this, we have added glucosamine sulfate, which is known for rebuilding cartilage and the joint cushioning. Combined with glycine and vitamin C, this helps your body regenerate collagen, reduce stiffness and maintain elasticity inside and out. So if at any age you are suffering joint problems, these are the supplements you need. Now let's talk about the real cellular level longevity heroes. First of all, ficetine. It is a natural flavonoid that clears away senescent cells, those zombie cells that cause inflammation and aging. Finally, we have pterostilbene, which is a close cousin of resveratrol, but with better absorption. It activates the sirtuins, the longevity genes that regulate DNA repair and the mitochondrial efficiency. Much more better than resveratrol. So if you are taking resveratrol, ditch it and start taking pterostilbene in the form of longevity formula. Because these compounds don't just slow aging, they optimize the quality of your aging, helping you live not just longer but better. And finally, for flavoring, we have added 100% natural stevia. In our products, you will never find any additives, chemicals, preservatives or anything that is harmful to your health in any way. And since it has 100% natural stevia, people who are diabetic and those who wish to lose weight can also use this longevity formula without any worries. So if you have watched this video till this point, you are one of those people who prioritize their health and longevity, which in my experience is possible in only two of these situations. Either you are very wise, or God forbid you are suffering from any chronic condition or an autoimmune disease. So let me know more about yourself in the comment section below. Also tell me which topic would you like us to discuss in the next video. And finally, let me tell you how to use this longevity formula. So you have to take 1 tablespoon of this longevity formula after a meal, preferably after dinner. You can take it as such and drink water above it, or you can mix it in a glass of water or a glass of juice or milk. But be careful and don't mix it in hot tea, because the heat will destroy the efficacy of the actives of this formula. And remember, age reversal is not a child's play. You have to take it for 6 months to a year to see visible signs of age reversal on genetic testing or see the signs of your disease reversing. And prolonging one's life cannot just be accomplished by a tablespoon of a supplement. You have to eat healthy, you have to exercise, you have to sleep well, and most of all, you have to think positively. Anyway, these are the 5 pathways through which the ingredients of this longevity formula reverse your age and your disease. And whatever your chronological age might be, the age that is mentioned on your passport, this supplement will help to decrease your biological age, the age of your cells and your mitochondria.
So now that you know the difference between chronological age and biological age, understand that aging is not a disease, it is a process. So with science and some discipline, you can stay younger for longer. So let me know in the comment section below which of these longevity pathways fascinates you the most. mTOR or NAD or sirtuins, autophagy or mitochondria or collagen renewal. Live long and healthy till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.